If you can hear my voice right now, it's because you want to know how to perform the dumbbell curl correctly. I want you to stand erect, hold the dumbbells in each hand at waist level with palms facing inward, also known as the neutral starting position. Keeping the elbows at the sides, curl the dumbbells upward towards your shoulders, slightly rotate your palms upward, also called supination, before reaching the top of the movement. Pause briefly and slowly lower the dumbbells while rotating your palms back to the original neutral starting position. I like to use the neutral to supinated rotation method because it truly trains the biceps effectively. You want to remember to start with the rotation early before your forearm is parallel to the ground. By doing that, you ensure that you're keeping the curl focused on your biceps and not the brachialis, which we will focus on in another video, so stay tuned to my channel. Things to keep in mind: make sure you don't lean backwards or move your elbows away from the sides. All in all, this is one of the most effective exercises for developing the biceps. We will get into the triceps in a different video, so continue to watch my channel. Now take your time with it and don't start out with a weight that is too heavy to control and not so light that you could do 20 reps with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. And remember, you're never too old to start working out, but it's better to start today. Thank you for watching.